Hello, my name is Carly and today I will show you how to print from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat and Director's Print Suite. After you're done customizing, you can select Print and your PDF will download in your bottom left-hand corner. From here you can select it and it will open in Adobe Acrobat. Select Print. Your settings will come up. You will always want to make sure actual size is selected. Choose paper source by PDF page size. This will auto-detect the page size. Print on both sides. Depending on your paper, it could be landscape or portrait. If it is landscape, always select flip on short edge, and for portrait, select flip on long edge. You can also select auto portrait and landscape so it will know. After that, select properties, and your presets will pop up or you can enter them manually. Select Done and Print. This has been the tutorial on how to print from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat and Director's Print Suite. Thank you. For more how-to videos on the Director's Print Suite, please subscribe to our Vimeo page. Link can be found here, or on our Director Print Suite homepage under Support and Instructions. For more information on this video, or Director's Print Suite, please feel free to contact our support team. Be sure to like, tweet, or follow us on our social media pages, and to watch out for more weekly videos. Thank you.